Hey, we are back to the channel. This you know everything about business credit, personal credit, finances, crypto, investing in stocks, how to take that money that you make and invest it in the businesses and flip those businesses for profit. If you like that, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to click that notification bell because I'm here every day with this great content to help you level up in the 2022. So let's get into it. So as you know, I am currently starting a new business. It's going to be a courier service based out of Atlanta. Here is day 2 of that, I guess, starting process, that starting the business. As you saw on day 1, leave a link to that. And as you saw me, talk about what I wanted to get into, what side of the courier business I wanted to get into, and I even showed you how to start or open an LLC in Georgia, which can be duplicated in any state in the country. Now, filing fees do vary, but Georgia's had one of the cheapest filing fees, but every state does it. So go ahead and check your Secretary of State, find out how to register your business and get it done. Now, so since I registered the business on a Saturday, first day of the year, it takes about 4 to 5 days for the, I guess, final paperwork to get processed and for them to actually give me my paperwork for my LLC. I have to verify the name and make sure it's available, and a lot of other things I have to do to make sure that you're in good standing to open up a business in the state. So while I wait for that to happen, there's not much I can do on the business paperwork, system side too much. I need to actually wait that they finalize my name to make sure that the name that I picked is accurate before I start getting my email addresses, start making social media accounts, things of that nature. I can't even get my EIN number. I went on their website and the IRS.gov EIN feature is down until the 3rd of January. So if you're looking at this video in the future, never mind all that. So what I'm going to do, talk about today is some research I was doing about actually finding jobs or finding contracts to be a 1099 independent courier. And doing some research, like I said, in the process of getting the van, I actually, as you guys know, went to a Ford dealership in December and put down a deposit. It's basically a Sprinter type long edition with the medium roof. So when I start getting into bigger loads and going across state and going on longer trips, then I would need that. But if I do not choose to go that route, then I can actually sell that Sprinter van that's being built because there's a shortage on them right now and they're in hot demand. So even if I could probably still make $2,000 or $3,000 just off of flipping a new van. So I'm going to show you how that process in the video as well. But so that's the process of kind of seeing what route you want to go. But since I'm only using my SUV, my Dodge Durango, and possibly another smaller car sedan, I went the medical courier route. Right, the medical courier route is basically while you transporting in small x-rays, blood samples, tissue samples, pretty much a small box you can hold in your hand, place in your trunk or back seat, and take it to the next location. Sometimes they're animal samples, blood samples, human samples. Sometimes they can be toxic, so you have to, actually wear protective gloves. Watch what you're doing. Sometimes it could be needles in there as well, so you want to be very cautious and it's very safe while doing this job. So I contacted the company based out of Atlanta. I will share the name of that company once I get hired and finish all the paperwork process. But I contacted them. They sent me all the paperwork application I need to fill out. I had to pay for a HIPAA training and a blood pathogens training. That was $20. I had to prepay before I even finished up the application and employment process. But pretty much I'm a 1099 independent driver, so I'm working for myself. They give me the contract. I work that contract. pick up the deliveries and drop them off at a location every evening. This is an evening position from like 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., which is perfect. I can do it after, I do everything throughout the day. I can do that, or if I'm going to do this courier thing full time, I can have a full time, dedicated route during the day, or a contract route during the day if I want to keep my days open, and then have this dedicated route in the evening, or vice versa. So trying to play around different contracts, seeing who pays the most, what's best for me and my business, best for my vehicle. I don't want to be running up miles and not getting paid that much, guys. So I want to definitely make sure I pick the right company to work with. So this evening medical courier position, picks up boxes of whatever they need in different locations, and even dropped off at the airport every evening. So that's the job. Pretty much the same route every evening, picking up and dropping off at the airport, and then that's it. So I'm going to use my Durango to do that. Hopefully I can hold a lot more packages than some of the other drivers. Once I told them I had a SUV, she was a lot more excited to have me on board. So I had to go through the paperwork process, take some tests, and also they asked if I was COVID vaccinated. So I do have a COVID vaccine card. I will provide to them. And now I'm not sure if that's a real requirement for employment, or they just get you in the extra spaces unless you get hired on extra jobs. I would assume so. Probably not every location needs you to be COVID vaccinated, but this is the medical courier business, and you're dealing with healthcare, and they take those things very serious. So I would think that all of them will require you to actually be vaccinated, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I have a vaccination card to let them know that I do have the vaccination, so that's not an issue for me. I'm going to upload that on Monday. I got to go find the card. Things at my office. I'm at home, for the weekend. But I just want to end this video. I'm make it too long. Just me rambling on. But that's let me tell you how I found that contract. I Googled 1099 medical couriers in Atlanta, and found the company, whole list of companies. Most of them come up on Indeed, Glassdoor, or Craigslist. And it's another one called CB Driver, or CD Driver. CB Driver. It's a website, and they have a whole list of courier jobs on there as well. So Glassdoor, Indeed, and CB Driver is where I'm seeing a lot of these courier leads, guys. So make sure you take advantage of that little gem I just gave. If you're interested in joining the 1099 independent courier business, like I am, like I said, I'm just starting out. So every gem, every item I find, any tip, I'm looking at a lot of apps. A lot of apps are providing courier positions and jobs and contracts. So check these apps out. One called Courier, Curri. That's the app I just downloaded and doing some research on. A lot of them want you to have a Sprinter van already, or a box truck, but a lot of them contract you out of out your car. So stay down, don't give up, do your research. It's a great way to make your own money on your own time, be your own boss. So day 3 coming tomorrow. It should be a Monday. Hopefully I can kind of get some more things done on the business and infrastructure and system side, get those things set up, and then, we can talk about, the actual regular business and getting contracts and that as well. All right, guys. So if you like the content, like I said, you stay here, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm here daily with this credit content, and I'm going to bring you some more content about building business credit, building your personal credit, some stocks and crypto as well, guys. So stay tuned. Another video will be coming today. I drop at least 2 or 3 videos a day for you guys, for the community. I'm here to help. Till next time, Credit King.